Changing your username on Pandora is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your username easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Pandora website or open the app and log into your account using your current username and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This can usually be found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the upper corner of the screen. Step 3. Select Edit Profile. In the Account Settings menu, look for an option that says Edit Profile or Account Information. Click on this to proceed to the section where you can change your username. Step 4. Enter new username. In the Edit Profile section, find the field for your username. Enter your desired new username, ensuring it meets any character requirements set by Pandora. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new username, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click this to confirm your changes and update your username. Now you have successfully changed your username on Pandora. Enjoy your personalized experience.